Good evening, boys and girls. I have a silly story for you tonight. It's called Truck Full of Ducks. And it's by Ross Brock. And this is the title page, Truck Full of Ducks. It's got, "We deliver ducks anytime, anywhere. Call now, 555 Duckies. Third fastest duck delivery service in town. 4 years in a row. Golden Ducky runner-up. On-time delivery, money quack guarantee." I love this. They're drinking the Bladder Buster soda. Stuff happened in the news. Is it Friday yet? Oh my goodness, this is just going to be so much fun. And this is just the title page. All right, here we go. "Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there." They're all peeking in like, "Ooh, we got a job?" Oh, and he's even got a duck phone. Oh, and there's the 4 Duck Awards. And a ducky clock. I'm sorry, this is amusing. Munch, munch, munch. "Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks. We'll find the customer." Oh, look at the... this way, that way. Oh, very silly. "Did you call for a truck full of ducks?" "No, not me. I called for a mail truck. Contents, one brother, please mail very far away." Yeah, I had a brother, I would have done that too. And they put the stamp on his mouth. Sorry. "Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Duck truck? No, not me, buddy. I called for a dump truck. Humpty Dumpty's had a great haul dump truck service." Never would have thought of that, but that's cute. He's using the jackhammer there at a construction site. Oh goodness, you shouldn't be writing that. "Did you call for a truck full of ducks?" "No, dude, not us. We called for an ice cream truck." What does this say? Surf Shark is on his surfboard. Oh, and their tongues are all sticking out. Too cute. "Who called for a truck full of ducks?" Oh, of course, they all got ice cream. This looks pretty good. Sadie's ice cream sandwiches. Delicious, that's what that says. "Did you call for a truck full of ducks?" "Arr, it wasn't me, matey. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers." And it says, "Polly's Crackers, #1 choice for parrots." That would make sense. He wanted crackers for his parrot. The license plate says "Ducks for You." This is a silly book. "Did you call for a truck full of ducks?" "Sorry, Earthling. I called for a tow truck. I break for comets and cupcakes. Keep back, I need my space. 30,000 light years away, huh? This is gonna cost ya. Tony's Towing. We'll tow anywhere." Well, I think that's gonna be a little rough to tow that all the way back. Ooh, what does this say? "Don't worry, be quacky." I just keep discovering more in these pictures. Silly, silly, silly. "Who called for a truck full of ducks?" "You're in luck. last potty for miles. Oh, look at all the duckies' faces. Hurry up, ducks. That's why the faces, they all needed to make a stop. Back in the truck, the clock is ticking. So here they all come. Good grief. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Hey, Walter. Hi, Fred. No more ducks. I called for a duck removal truck. Duck unstuck. I've seen worse. Duck removal specialist. Gentle suction. Return to the flock. Do not feed the ducks. Oh, my goodness. And he's saying hi to him. Too funny. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That was me. Deep, dark woods. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's in there? Let's see. Over here. Caution. Dead end. One scary way. No Wi-Fi. Hungry fox. So hungry fox. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'd be scared if I were them. Okay, oh, ducks, out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. One order of ducks to H. Fox. Perfect timing. My dinner. My dinner? Oh, he's filling out his will. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I'd be nervous if I were those ducks. Time for his dinner. My dinner is over. Time for my bath. He needed them for taking his bath. Rubber duckies in the tubby. Brush your teeth, clean your ears. Oh, gee. Well, those are good advice, to brush your teeth and clean your ears. Bath time gig stand? You know it, Frank. Van full of toucans. When you need take two. When you need toucans, we can. Who can? We can. Yeah, I can read. All right. So a toucan truck. I wonder who would need a toucan truck. Maybe that's going to be the next story. Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Look, they're all smiling, happy, ready to go. Bath time. Bath time's always more fun with duckies. H. Fox. So he even gave them a thumbs up. Hey, check it out. I like them. A good review. That's what it is. A good review. Anything else? Just that. They're heading off to work. All right. That's it. I told you it was a silly story, and I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now. Have a good night, sleep tight, and have happy dreams. Bye now.